Mark, by definition, ano pong pagkakaiba ng plunder at ng corruption?
Ang corruption, graft and corruption. Pag say corruption, single corrupt act. Isang act lang. Ninakaw mo 5 milyon. Ganun si graft and corruption. Nagnakaw ka ng 100,000. O tumanggap ka ng bribery ng 100,000. O that's graft and corruption. Ibig sabihin, single act. Graft and corruption is a single act. Pag plunder kasi, it is a series or combination of criminal overt act. Accumulation of ill-gotten wealth at least 50 million through series or combination of criminal overt act. Ibig sabihin, series ang dami. Series, daming activity na kunin yung at least 50 million. So, daming ginagawang action. Yun ang plunder. But kung graft and corruption, isang act lang. Yun ang tinatawag na graft and corruption. Ibig sabihin, single act, graft and corruption, plunder, series or combination of criminal overt acts.
Naku, paulit-ulit kayo, Mark, ang plunder.
Tama.
Sobra na, alam mo yun, parang condemnable talaga.
Dapat itong 50 million, dapat babaan. Yung iba kasi dyan, na para hindi maging plunder, I think, para hindi maging plunder, ginawa nilang 49 million, ginawa nilang 48 million, para hindi maging plunder. Kasi in plunder case, kailangan 50 million. So I think there should be a law na mas babaan yung kasong plunder. For example, 1 million or 2 million, pwede ng plunder yan. Kung example, nagnakaw ka ng kwarta ng bayan, pera ng bayan, at least babaan yung threshold. Kasi ngayon, 50 million para maging plunder.
Thank you, Mark.
Dati kasi, MJ, ang plunder is death penalty. Na-approve itong plunder, death penalty talaga ang plunder.
Ay, dapat.
But kasi tinanggal ang death penalty sa Pilipinas, nabawasan ang kanyang penalty. Dati, death penalty, ngayon, reclusion perpetua, 20 years, 1 day to 40 years. But dati, death penalty talaga ang penalty ng plunder.
Dapat firing squad kayo, Mark.
Bilyones eh. Tama yan. But dati yun, in fact, in other countries, yung mga nagnakaw ng kabanang bayan, firing squad yun. Doon sa China, sa ibang bansa na mga highly urbanized, highly developed countries, firing squad ang iba na nagnakaw ng taong ng kabanang bayan. But in the Philippines, dati it's death penalty, but dahil may batas tayo na tinanggal na ang death penalty, that's why ang penalty ng plunder is reclusion perpetua.
Habang buhay na pagkakabilanggo. Kaya siguro kayo, Mark, walang gustong ibalik yung capital offense, yung death penalty dahil sa gabing issue na to.
Gabing issue kung...
Kaya number 1, tatamaan itong mga nasa gobyerno.
First, parang maliit lang sa kanila ang 50 million. If you check mga congressman, yung mga project nila sa flood control, billions of pesos. So yung 50 million, barya lang sa kanila yan. But hindi pa rin sila natakot sa kasong plunder. I think kailangan i-review itong batas ng plunder kasi the purpose kasi of plunder, kailangan avoid corruption and accountability. Yun talaga ang purpose ng plunder. But sa tingin natin ngayon, nakita natin na parang nawala na yung accountability, nawala na yung deterrence ng kaso ng plunder. I think there should be kailangan nilang i-review dapat ang batas tungkol sa plunder.
Thank you, Kuya Mark. Sa